Hello friends, before we continue with the next chapter, I should bring some light onto something I didn't explain very well in the first chapter. We don't have to put the aquarium on top of a table. Making a steel table for our fridge so we can put the box of filters underneath can be quite expensive. We have to buy materials capable of bearing the weight, and we have to be able to weld them together. The cheapest way to connect the filter box to the refrigerator is shown in this image. The position of the outlet determines the level of the water in the aquarium. From here it falls vertically onto the filters absorbing oxygen. This design requires horizontal space both for the aquarium, the filter box and the external pump. Another option is to put the filter box above the aquarium, but we'll still need extra space for the external pump. In this case, the filter box is in view and won't make its environment prettier if we don't have much space. If we put a submerged pump in the aquarium, we wouldn't need the extra space, but this is not advisable. Water turtles are highly sensitive to underwater sounds and vibrations. And if we consider that their mating behavior includes communicating by vibrations, a submerged pump can cause some confusion. The only disadvantage I can see with putting the aquarium directly on the ground is that the steel frame of the fridge, a thin steel sheet, will be in contact with humidity and will be prone to rust and structural damage. The place where I'm going to put the fridge doesn't have much space, and in winter the humidity can be high. So I prefer to take on the cost of a steel table lifting the aquarium above the ground. The place where I'm going to put the fridge doesn't have much space, and in the winter the humidity can be high. So I prefer to take on the cost of a steel table, lifting the fridge from the ground. In this way, I'll make a better use of the available space, I hide the filter box under the aquarium, and I'll have extra space for storing materials and the equipment needed for maintenance. This table will make the turtle pond much more expensive. And if you don't have the know-how to do it correctly, you can leave the turtle pond as I show in these images. These are the cheapest designs. Well, I hope this helps you choose the best design for your circumstances. I also hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you around in the next chapters. Bye bye!